I've got a DeWalt 8-volt cordless electric screwdriver. How does it work? Good question. Let's show you in this video how this works. Forward, reverse, the whole 9 yards. First, here's the on-off switch. If it's towards the switch, it's off. Towards the battery, it's on. You notice it has a light, comes with a light for help screwing and finding the screw. Now, how does forward and reverse work? You'll see here it has 2 arrows, left and right. What the hell does that mean? What that means is it's level now. We turn it on, it's very slow now. If we want to go reverse, we go in that direction. If we want to go forward, we lean in that direction. That's how it works. So the pro to this is it's pretty easy to use once you understand it. One of the cons I have is it's not very strong. So to detach any of your bits, you pull this out and this pulls right out. And then to put it in, you just simply, like that, it's in. Pull it out, pull this out, that comes out. Here again, you got a bit. So I want to use the Phillips screwdriver bit. Put it in. Good to go. Want to pull it out, just like that. As you can see by our set here, we have purchased quite a few different attachments and stuff like that. They're all 1/4 inch. They all work with this. That is a very nice thing. Battery, so we want to turn it off. The battery just pops right out. The pros and cons of using the DeWalt 8-volt cordless electric screwdriver. So some of the pros are, as you can see here from the different choices, you can get a kit of 1/4 inch bits. You can get different size extensions. You can get a 90-degree flexible bit to get in those hard reach places. Here you get a longer extension. We've already used this in installing some gear, some ups on the racks in the comm center.